I get it. No, that's a rock, honey. That's a rock.
You're smart, aren't you? Look.
Oh. He's like, where'd it go? I'm so sorry.
Okay. I'm going to rinse it off.
I will help. I will help.
Okay, now put it in your hand and hold it straight out like that.
She gets so excited about food, Red.
I will.
He starts to gum it. Oh,
That's so
goodness,
good.
goodness.
See the little kitty?
Yeah.
Tasmania tiger.
And
Tiger. They're all tigers.
yeah.
My name has to do with you too.
I like it.
Put it out in your hand and hold it flat.
Real flat. So they can't bite your fingers.
Now you can help me.
I think he's still working on that apple, sweetie. We've got goats and little miniature ponies right up the road from where we live in Liberty. Oh, they're so cool. There's a big old
They're
billy goat.
silly, aren't they?
And he's got the big...
Do them, because I worry about her. Here, you can feed Red if you want. Put it in your hand.
Feed Red.
Put it in your hand like
Put it in
this.
your hand like that.
Okay.
She gets scared.
That's okay.
Even with the goats, who all they do is go...
I know, use
They
their lips.
just use their lips.
They
She
only
still got
have
scared.
front teeth or bottom teeth. They don't have upper and they don't have both.
Yeah,
And I
they-
never knew that.
Oh, see, I
Where are you
never saw it
going?
deep enough in their mouth. But like
Well,
the...
a friend told me, and I told that when we had two goats.
Yes, it's a kitty.
Boy, I made a good fertile. Well, it's just about finished. I had cucumbers. I mean, I got a cucumber every night. String beans. I'm still picking string beans, and my squash are still going. Tomatoes didn't do too good. Too shady.
Yeah, our tomatoes did really good this year. We're finally...
You want to play with the horses?
I started some little bitty ones. Reese told me this trick when you eat a sliced tomato, you know how you have all the seeds?
Yeah.
Well, Red. And,
Mr. Horsefly was on
and
your shoulder.
I put them on the top of a pot of soil, and sure enough, they sprouted. They're about that tall now. About 2 weeks old.
Yeah, if you do it late in the year, you can put them on a paper towel and then dry out the paper towel, and then you just plant the paper towel.
That's
And you grew your apple tree.
Oh yeah, I've got an apple tree.
There's those kitty
She didn't
kitties.
hear
Oh,
me.
there's a little kitty.
Aww.
And there's Callie Mittens. She's the girl, and she's a calico. And has little white mittens, so I called her Callie Mittens.
You gotta come over here.
If I know we were going to keep all of them, I would have given them Australian names, because Boomer, the mama, she's somewhere. She usually hangs over there.
Yeah. It's okay. Come on over here, Miss Autumn. Come on over here. Watch. This is how you get kittens to come to you. Squat down like Mommy does. Watch. Squat down. Squat down. There you go. See, and they come to you.
Yeah.
And she goes, I give you love.
They love us.
Yeah, she's sniffing her hands. The little baby kitties. Oh, hi.
Hi, where'd you been? On the
Oh.
farm?
Yes, they've been at the farm.
Yeah. Hello, little house. He loves your house.
He's very sweet. He's very, very
He's a
sweet.
big doggy.
No, he's a kitty.
This is Kitty.
Small baby kitten.
Oh, look at the farm. It's
Yeah.
a dirt.
Yeah, it's very nice.
But that's dirt.
Yeah.
And look at the goat.
Yeah.
And the goat
That's
eyebrows.
Oni. He's the bravest out of all of them.
Oh, the calico.
Did she come out yet?
Kelly, come here, kitty, kitty.
She's shy, but she's actually the most sweetest.
Oh.
Of course, girls are always sweeter than boys. What, Taz? You're the troublemaker, aren't you?
He's a sweetheart, too.
He says, well, I started out to be a Tasmanian devil, then Mom saw something about Tasmanian tigers are supposed to be extinct. And she says, oh, no, they're not extinct. I'm one. I'm a Tasmanian
He wants
tiger.
to save us, too.
Aww.
Yeah, they got to go get fixed next month. They're 3 months